everyone, this is me Archita, and today's video is on meditation. So I'm going to be doing a short meditation and make sure that you guys join in. Today's meditation is about gratitude, it's about happiness, it's about peace. So as you can see, I am sitting cross-legged with my back straight, my shoulders stretched behind. If you guys haven't checked out my videos regarding how to breathe during a meditation or how to sit for a meditation, so make sure that you guys first watch those videos because they are a preparation to any meditation. So today's video focuses on meditating upon happiness, upon bliss. So let's get started. I want you guys to sit with your back straight and you will look in the front, keeping your eyes open first. Keep your back erect. You will keep focusing at a point in front of you. Just inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Once your eyes feel heavy, you will slowly and gently close your eyes, but make sure that your eyes are not pressed hard. You make sure that your eyes are relaxed. Keep your palms on your lap and relax your shoulders and your elbows. You will slowly inhale, exhale out completely. One more time, you will breathe in very slowly and exhale out. Now that your body is relaxed, you will start by bringing your attention to your heart center. So I want you to bring your attention at your heart, and you guys will think of a happy memory. I want you to visualize or relive any moment, any experience which brought you joy and happiness. Just keep focusing your attention on that memory, on that day. It could be anything. It could be, an achievement. It could be anything special that happened to you that day. Just keep thinking about that same experience of joy and happiness as you focus on your heart. I want you to feel that same emotion, that same experience all over again. You can have a gentle smile on your face. Now you will join your palms at your heart center and you will just express your gratitude for that day, for that event, for that memory which brought you so much happiness and joy. You express your sense of gratitude as you accept that happiness. You will inhale, exhaling, letting go of any stress, any tension in your body. You will slowly bring your hands back on your lap. And as you remember that same memory, that same experience of joy, you will slowly and gently open your eyes. So we did this for a very short duration of time. You guys can continue with the meditation for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you can practice this as many times as you want in a day, and you can just live with your happy memories and your wonderful experiences in life. Until I see you in the next video, make sure that you guys practice meditation, keep doing on yoga asanas, and keep watching my videos.